How to make a WIX website for school. Follow these steps. Go to wix.com and sign up for a free account. Click Create New Site and choose the Education category. Pick a template that fits your school's needs or use WIX ADI for automatic design. Use the WIX editor to customize the site by dragging and dropping text, images, and videos. Add important pages like Home, About, Academics, Events, and Contact. Insert features like a blog, photo gallery, forms, and social media links. Ensure the site looks good on mobile by using the mobile editor. Customize colors, fonts, and layout to match your school's theme. Click Publish to make the website live. Share the website link with students, teachers, and parents. Thanks for watching.